Chapter 10. Weather. It is hot during summers and cold during winters. Some days are rainy while some are windy. This change in outside climate is known as weather. When the outside climate is liked by us, we called it as pleasant weather. When the outside climate is not liked by us, we called it as unpleasant weather. Weather keeps on changing from day to day. Sometimes it is hot. Sometimes it is cold. Summer season. Hot days. It is hot during summer. The sun shines brightly. We take cold drinks. We wear light cotton clothes to keep our body cool. Winter season. Cold days. The days are very cold in winters. We wear warm woolen clothes to keep our bodies warm. We take hot drinks. Autumn season. Windy days. The days are windy during autumn season. Air blows with a strong force and carries away things. Trees shed their leaves during this season. Rainy season. Rainy days. It rains most of the times. We wear raincoats and carry umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. Children float paper boats in water. Spring season. Pleasant days. Some days are pleasant. You can feel cool, nice breeze. You can see flowers blooming and freshness in air. It marks the coming of spring.